So Viera was continuously crying, so I gave it a try to the Woodward's gripe water. It gives instant relief to the acidity, indigestion, gas caused by the colic in the babies.
If your baby is in pain and start crying all day, there could be many reasons, and one of the reason indigestion, gas, constipation, and many more. I trusted Woodward's gripe water.
So I started searching on internet that what should I do to soothe his pain, and I got to know about Woodward's gripe water. Happy babies make happy mommies.